Oh, okay, we were more or less completed whatever that needs to be covered in your P5 syllabus. So now we have to prepare for your exam. Your exam will be in about 1.5 months or so time. I think late October. Some schools are in late October. I do not know whether the rest or everyone's in late October, but I assume so. Okay, so let us let me just get. Come turn on your videos. Come turn on your videos. Yeah. If you need to take whatever, please take. Oh yeah. So you're right. Okay, all can hear me, eh? Okay, we're gonna start now with, I think we start with this side, eh? Okay, largest to smallest, this question number 16. I will toggle between two papers, okay? I'll toggle between two papers. Can you try this one now? Now we are revising for your exam. We are just starting quite early. Largest to smallest, please. Largest to smallest. 1, 2, 3. Come, Naomi. Are you there, Naomi? Cannot use calculator. You can use paper and pencil. Largest to smallest. Oh, there's one more. Who is this? Gosh, that. Okay, largest to smallest. Anyone? Come on. Oh, someone has sent answer. Okay. Let us see. Raidi is the first one. Congratulations, Mr. Raidi. You can move on to question number 2. Well done. Lagging. Okay. You're lagging. Come, Putra, come. Don't play a fool. You're preparing for exam now, this one. I know, Kakak exam is earlier, but we still have to do that. A P5 is a level many students sort of fail, so you got to be careful. Naomi, your answers are all correct, except you forgot fourth. There's one more, which is 1.7. You forgot this one, but your answers are all correct. Well done. So yeah, that is the first one, Naomi. Your last answer is the first one. Well done. The next one, Naomi. Come. Oh, Mr. What's his name? Have given me an answer. Just a moment, Mr. Riley. Let me see whether you're all right. Mr. Mew. Okay. You have a cat, Congratulations, Riley. Now the rest are waiting. What about Carissa? What about Putra? What about Farish? What about Shalina? Are you all there? No? Come on. Largest to smallest. I will start to write now this one. Some of them, the fractions you must already memorize. Now, this is of course 107, right? 1.07. This one, 1 point. 5 is 1.2. You must know. How do you get 1.2? You times this by 2. You times this by 2 is 2 over 10. Okay. And then not correct, Miss Carissa. Then 1.7 is given. And this 1 is 1.7. So 70 lah. This one is 137, So you don't need to change this yet, but you know that 3 out of 7 is like close to 1.5, you know. So we write it down, no, my this thing is too thick. So we write it down 1.07. Okay. I'm teaching you agak-agak method. This one you write 1.20. Okay, you can see 120, 107. This is 1.70. Now this is very close to half. What is half? It's 1.5, right? 1 and 3, 6. 3 divided by 6, so this 3 divided by 7. So it's smaller than half. What is half? 1.5. Maybe we put it as 1.4, roughly. 1.40, 1.770. Now you can compare. Biggest is this. Can see now, Miss you must write original one, Miss Allah Putri. Actually, Putri Karisa. You see, down here I'm changing to agak-agak. If you're not sure, you try by 10 divided by 7. Okay, I'm going to show you now. 10 divided by 7. You get 1 point, can you see 1.2 something? 1.42 something. So I'm just doing agak-agak method. Why? Because the numbers of the rest are not so quite far from each other. So I can agak-agak, no problem. All right. And the next one is 1 and 1/5. You must write the original, and 1.07. I hope you get it, I hope you get it. Okay. So can you see this is lesser than half? Okay, but anyway, this is lesser than half. I hope you are getting it. Okay, now we move on. I want to toggle between two worksheets. Sorry, let me just toggle between two worksheets, which is going to test you from here. Okay, can you list any two common factors of 9 and 27? And you can do the next one also. Naomi, well done, Naomi. The next one is well done. Congratulations, Naomi, for the second one. Well done. Mr. Miu Miu, very fast. But Mr. Miu Miu, one of them you gave multiple, the other one you gave factors. You know, factors are numbers that can be, these numbers can divide by. Are you saying 9 can be divided by 27? Cannot. 27 is a multiple of 9. 27 is a factor of 27, correct? 27 can divide by 27, but 9 cannot divide by 27. So your answer is incorrect. Repeat, factors are numbers that these numbers can be divided by. Common are the same. Let us see now. So far, none. None, Mr. Miu Miu. Oh, which one? Shalina. Shalina, you are giving the multiples. So you multiplied as now. You are giving multiples. You this 9, 18, 27, and so on, right? That is multiples, Shalina. Shalina, we want factors. Factors are numbers 9 can be divided by, 27 can be divided by. That means you all have forgotten. Come on, Shafia. Come on, Farish. What about you? Da. Where is it? Come on. Don't say the answer. Don't say that because everyone is doing it, and I think a lot are having issues. Which one is this one? The first one. Alamak, first one. Okay. Those of you are confused again. You do like this. Okay. All those who are confused about factors, ask yourself what numbers can time to give you 9. What numbers can give you 27? 1 times 9. You see, I thought multiples. No, this is not multiples. 2 cannot. 3 times 3. There are only 3 factors of 9. 1, 3, and 9. 27. 1 times 27. What else? 2 cannot. 3. 3 times 9. So can you give any 2 common? Well, what about 3 and 9? Okay, 3 and 9 are same. Yes. These, or you can take 1 and 3. 1 is also a factor. So the thing is, some of you guys are confused between multiples. What do you do with multiples? You multiply. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. These are multiples. We want factors. 9 can divide by 1. 9 can divide by 3. 9 can divide by 9. 27 can divide by 1. 27 can divide by 3. 27 can divide by 9. 27 can... Yeah, Farish, you are giving the multiples again. You're not listening, I think. Okay, so I repeat, these numbers, when they ask for factors, they're asking you what number times what number equals this number. So you got to list them out, down, everything, and then see what's common. Okay, I hope you're okay. What most of you are doing are multiples. Can you try the next one now?
Yeah, just put one. No.
Yeah, okay, one. You put one for which one? Shafia, come on, Shafia.
16.
16. Okay. 1 and something lah. 1 and 3, yes. Okay, come. Because they want 2. Notice we are getting the long-term memory reactivated because this one is term 1 work. Yes, it's term 1 work. Will they test you? Of course they will test you. They will test you. Clue. In order to do this, you need to reduce to lowest terms the ratio on the right. Shalina, you okay, Shalina? No, okay. Shafia, okay, Shafia? Shafia, you okay? Putra, I don't see any of your answers. I'm starting to rindu you, no? Don't do that to me, please. I do not want to have nightmare. Oh. What is this? What are you doing? Oh, let's see. Some of you have given answers. Okay, we'll check, huh? We'll check. 125. What is 125? I'm a little bit confused, yeah. Never mind. Shalina, let us see whether you're right. Oh, that's for that one, 18. Okay. What about 17? I don't want to play 17. Why you don't play 17? Oh, play 17 also. Play 17 also. Let us see, Shalina. Shalina, move on to the next one, okay? Just give your answers. We're going to go through in 1 minute's time. I will zip up my mouth now. Come on, Shafia. I unzip now. Shafia, come on. Where are you, Shafia? What's your answer? Nayu, yes, you can go toilet. Please carry on. And Farish, whatever you're drinking, it looks very nice. What is that? Can you show us? What is it you're drinking? The way you're drinking, jelly? Cannot see lah. Cannot jelly joy. Oh my goodness. Dia minum. Okay, dah. Dia minum macam orang in an advertisement, you know. I feel making all of us thirsty. You look at Shalina now. She looks so sad. Shalina, don't be sad. We'll get for you jelly joy. Yes.
I got that water right beside you.
Okay. Hey guys, you all do not know how to do this one.
I got drink that.
You drink that before. Is it nice or not? It's lovely. Okay. Now, I do not know whether you all, I think maybe I'm glad we are doing this now because this one now, you need to reduce to lowest term. What does it mean to be reduced to lowest terms? You must divide both numbers by the same number. 81 can divide by what? 45 can divide by what? Hey, they both can be divided by 9, you know. 9 times 9, 81. 81 divided by 9? 9.
9. 45 is 5. And then,
5. Good.
And then you times by whatever.
Times by what?
4. And then
times
you take
by
5
4.
times 4, which will be 20.
Yes,
and then
well
answer.
done.
And then once you get the answer, you go to 18. And then once you get to 18.
Okay, wait. One. So this one, so down here, we divide both by 9. So we get 9 and 5. Now we times by 4, you get 20. Well done, Shalina. Who else?
Sure,
Who else?
I do it for.
No, but where do you Mr. Mew, do you get 20 now?
No,
Then now you have not gotten 20, you're explaining how to do this one. Funny lah, this guy.
Yeah,
Okay, you must show us.
Know the first step. I didn't know the first
Oh, you
step.
didn't know the first step. Okay. Farish, sorry, accidentally type 9. No problem. Okay, but you understand how to do? All of you understand how to do?
Yes.
Okay, I'll test you.
Can I help you?
No, not 18 yet. Now we got to try another one lah. Okay, now 20 is to 70. I want you to tell, not tell the answer, but show us the answer, okay? Show us the answer. Okay, here we go. And please, what is the answer, please? Reduce to lowest term first. Come on, Putra, you can do it, Putra, even though it's tight dog inside your nose. Come on. How come your nose like that? Putra. Shafia, come on. Oh, yes, Mr. Miu Miu. Yeah, you got it correct. Carissa got it correct. What about the rest of you? Come on. Come on, guys, please. Please come on. Shafia, come on. Shafia.
So later I do an easy samples for 18.
Yeah, anymore. Come. The rest, I need everyone to be able to do this. Come on. Come on. You know, we have not gone deep into problem sums. You all know that. And that's going to be the weakest area. But these are sums. If you do not know how to do problem, well done, Putra. Well done, Shalina. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come on. Faris, what about you, Faris? Tell us what to do, Faris. Faris, what do we do, Faris? What do we do? Divide by what, Faris? Come on, Faris.
-1. Divided by 9.
Faris, -1, Faris.
Yes,
No.
-1. -1.
-1.
Yes.
-1 get 19.
That's for me. That's for Mr. Meow Meow.
No. Faris, how to do this one? You know how to do? Reduce the lowest term, divide by 10. What do you get?
2 and 7.
And then after that, what number do you times? Times what? 7 times what?
7.
Times 7. So down here times 7 also. 14. Easy, right? Easy, right? But still, we have to give you one more. Come on, guys and girls. You got to be able to do this, please. Okay? You got to be able to do this. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Down here. Okay. And go. Shafia, come on, Shafia. If you don't solve this, I might not be able to breathe. Well done, Carissa, well done. Well done, Mr. Miu Miu. Shafia, I'm waiting for you. Please.
It's Meow Meow.
Miu Miu or Meow Meow? By the way, both words are MEW is a correct English word. Mewing or meowing. You can put meowing or mewing. Come on, the rest of you. Come on. Putra, come on. Stop tying yourself up with the wire. You might get electrocuted. Come on. What about the rest? Shalina, come on, Shalina. What about the rest? Faris. Come on, we went through this. Well done, Shalina. Come on. Hey, as if I'm selling durian, man. Come on, lah. Lelong. $2.
I don't like durian.
Yeah, I myself know. Sometimes when I eat durian, sometimes I can't eat durian. My wife and my mother ask me, why are you not eating the durian you buy? Actually, I imagine that it sometimes look like my dung. Once I ate the durian, it smells like dung. The texture is like dung. Faris, come on, Faris. Okay, Faris, what do we do, Faris? Can we divide it by what? Both of them can divide by what? Come on, Faris, where are you, Faris? Putra, can divide by what? Putra, come on, divide by 8, Putra. 32 divided by 8, 24 divided by 8. Come on, Putra. Come on, girls, guys. Faris, come on, Faris. I'm waiting for you, Faris.
3, 4.
I'm calling anyone who can answer those who have not done. Sharifah,
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay, then from here, how do we get to 44 from 4, Mr. Farish? You times 11. So you times by 11 is 33. Okay, well done. Okay, now we're going to move to... Yeah. Okay, yes. Wait, okay, all right, yes. So you divide by... See, now I'm going back. You divide by 8. Divide by 8, you get 4 and 3. Now from 4, how you get to 44? You times 11. So down here you must times 11. I hope you get the method. You reduce to lowest terms or not lowest terms, so it's okay. So long as you can times. Must you know this? Of course, you must know this. Now let me tell you, a lot of students fail at primary 5 because the from primary 4 to primary 5, the jump is very big, you know. So you must make sure you don't. Okay, yeah, okay, still. Okay, can we try this? I will check Mr. Putra has given an answer, right? Okay, and also Raidi, I think. Let us see whether they are right. I think yes. Raidi and Putra, you're correct. Both of you are correct.
I want to do an example for this.
But Putra, why? Sorry, not Putra. Mr. Raidi, why you give your answer in decimal? They are telling you in fraction. I do not know.
Okay, wait, give it 10 seconds.
Sure. Okay, Putra, well done. Putra, you're the first one to get the answer.
How about me?
Hey, who is this Syed Salim? Wow, which one? Ah, this girl. Ayo, you're using my name. Okay, Shalina, well done. What about the rest? Hey, Farish, come on, Farish. I'm rooting for you. Shafia, Shafia, you know why she put Syed Salim? She learned from you, no? Changing name and all that. Come on.
Sure. She also learned how to that one fake.
Okay, so the answer is 1/25. Huh? Now, those of you who do not know how to do this, remember, right? Divide, put 20 on top first. Now, remember, this is like ballerina. Lah. So, one of them will do a flip and a flop. Huh? So, this change time to times. The right-hand side will do the flip. Oh, my goodness. I'm talking so much saliva is inside my mouth. I'm so sorry. I got easier method. Okay, wait, before your easier method, hold on. Huh? Down here, you do the flip. And then now you can divide by 4, you get 1. You divide by 4, you get 5. Top times top, 1 times 1, 1. 5 times 5, 25. Yes, Mr. Raidi, what's your easier method?
Wait, let me change my. Okay, then you take 4 out of 5.
Okay, 4 out of 5. Okay, we will write for you. Okay, 4 out of 5. And then
you take 5 away. Take 5 away, so it's 4 left, right?
Yeah, 4 left.
No, don't cancel it. Like,
don't cancel it. Okay.
Move it away. Like,
move it away.
Yes.
Okay, move it there.
Times by 20.
Times by 20. Okay.
And then you'll get 100.
Oh, okay. All right. And then
you take this.
So on top of, okay, so he's changing. Okay, Ken. So now Raidi's method, he's changing the base to 100. That means this one changed to 100. Oh, 5 times 20, 100. Okay, then you get 4 over 100 and then you reduce. Okay, that's another method. Okay, no problem. Up to you. You want to do this method? No problem. Okay, let's move on. Now our target is to go to problem sums. But before you go to problem sums, we need you to do the basic stuff. These are basic stuff. If you are stuck on, you have to go to the next level. But die, we have to do it. What is die? That means like it or not, we have to. Doesn't mean we're going to die. If die, we cannot move. Come on. 45% as a fraction. You can do this. I believe in you. Faris, come on, Faris. Well done, Carissa. Well done, Mr. Raidi. Very fast, both of you. One of these days, we'll have a showdown between both of you. The cowboy showdown. Yeah.
No, meow.
Meow one. Okay, then you can move on to the next question. Okay, Raidi and Carissa, because we do not want your mind to be idle. Means not doing anything. Have you heard, Carissa, of the saying? An idle mind is the devil's workshop. Have you heard? Never. Okay. Later I'll show you there. It's like a penjodoh bilangan, simpulan, penjodoh bilangan. Wow, so fast lah you. Are you sure? Do you think through not? Think through so fast ah. Yes, them. I just find it very. Okay, Farish, well done, Farish. Congratulations. What about the rest? I'm looking for Mr. Putera.
Sure, can I send you a picture that I like?
Yeah, you can send. Just well done, Mr. Raidi. You didn't use a calculator, right? Do you use calculator?
No.
Okay, good. You didn't use, that means well done. But I think it's not correct. Wait, hold on. Which box? You must just correct it just a little bit. Putra, well done. Putra, Shalina, well done. Putra, well done. Putra, well done. Putra, how come you are like frozen? Shalina, well done. Shafia, I've not gotten answer from you. Shafia, come on. Shafia.
Yeah, what do you mean?
We go. Okay, you'll try the next. Those you have done, you can do the next one. Shafia, 45% is divided by 100. Don't say the answer, please, Raidi. 45% is 45 divided by 100. Don't say the answer, Raidi. Then you divide this by 5. You divide by 5. You get 9/20. Shafia, come on, you can do this. Now, maybe some of you will find it difficult because your timetables are slow. Maybe inshallah next week we will start on timetables again. Okay, so you get ready for timetables. Ready? Wow, very good, very good. Okay, try 21, please. Carissa, I don't think that is the answer. You must read it carefully. Come on, Carissa, you can do this. Soon you will be crowned queen. Brother will be crowned king.
Teacher.
Yeah. Yes, right here.
Carissa very fast.
She's very fast, but she's now not only fast, she's careful. That's very good. Because the one who's not careful will fall for traps now. Like that, just now we did. So many careless mistakes by many students. So you got to be careful. Let us see. Come on.
Which answer wrong?
Okay, I will check it. I will check it. Let me see. What about the rest? I do not know whether you all are you thinking about the meaning now. You must be thinking. Yeah.
I don't know whether I should send you the video.
Yeah, you send something is a link. So I would check the link later.
Yeah, it's just a picture of a cat that like.
Okay, your answer is not correct, Carissa. That means you got to check. You must understand what the question is saying. There are many. Okay, so you and Raidi now have the same answer, Carissa. You and Raidi have the same answer. Raidi has made a mistake, a small mistake. Both of you are just one step away from getting the right answer.
Is the answer
no, I just told you. You and Raidi have given the same answer. Both of you have made a small mistake, but it's still a mistake. You have to think about the question, what it's saying. Don't say the answer, Raidi. Don't say the answer. We are waiting for the rest. I'm waiting for Farish. Farish, congratulations, Farish. You are the first one to get it correct. Congratulations. Hey, for Carissa and Raidi. Our friend, he takes a longer time, but he gets the correct answer. That's the difference. Meow is even worse. Your answer is now even worse. Yes. You're not thinking carefully. Farish is thinking carefully. So he's taking a longer time. It's okay. But he's sure. Well done, Mr. Farish. Shalina, come on, Shalina, come on. Shalina, you okay now, Shalina? Why your face is, you are unhappy? Be happy, smile. She has not eaten.
I still don't get it.
You still don't get it. Okay. All right, now, let us see. Now you have many files now. Okay? Many files. All these files, they want to put inside a box, big box. Now the question is asking you, how many big box do they need? So you know how we do, right? 6500 divided by 30, right? So what do we get? You use your calculator. You tell me what's the answer. Use calculator now. Tell me what's the answer. 216 point something, right? What point what? 216.66. Okay, let's say 667 lah, whatever. Now, so you need 216 boxes, but what about the balance one? There's some more files, you know. You still need one more box. You need 217 box. You have 216 full boxes. That means you have 30 files in each box for 216. But you need one more box for the balance. You see, I don't understand. Okay, you take 216 times 30. How much you get? 216 times 30. What do you get? Carissa, come on.
6480.
6480. You have 6,500. 6480. You have 6,480. There's another balance 20 files. Where are you going to put the 20 files? You say we got no more box lah. Why? This is not a full box. So your last box will have 20 files. That's why you have to plus one more box. You get it?
There's a cat behind my back.
Okay, but do you understand that? Carissa, you understand?
Yes, I understand.
You need one more box for the extra 20 files. You see, why is that 20? You take 216 boxes times 30, you get 6480. You have 6500. There's 20 more files. Where are you going to put? You put it into the box, but you see there's not 30. Never mind. Just put it in because you still need to send this box of files. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So down here, you have to plus one more. The answer is 217. But in order to understand, in order to answer correctly, you must think and imagine the question. And I'm going to interview one of you. Mr. Farish, how do you know you need to add 1? Do you imagine what it was going to be? Do you picture it in your head? No.
No, because I just take 6500 divided by 30, then I take like the 30, then I take away the 0, then take away 1 0 from 600, 6,500, then it's 650, then times 3. I know, then divide 3.
And
Then
then
I got 216, then I got extra 2, so then I need one more box to put the
I need
extra
one more
2.
box. You see, he understands. He understands he need one more box. That means he's actually imagining the situation. You need to do that. Okay, let's move on. Yes, please go toilet. See, after listening to explanation, you want to go toilet. Go lah. Oh, okay, go. Yeah, you want to go toilet, so? Why everyone wants to go toilet? Putra, you want to go toilet, so? Putra, you cannot go toilet. Same your sister inside toilet. Why you go? Don't be cheap. Okay. Yes, here we go. Don't want. This one. Hey, please, you all must be able to do this. Especially this one girl I'm looking out for. Okay, she's wearing a scarf. Where is that girl? Hey, Shafia, you must do this one, Shafia. All of you must do, but I'm waiting for your answer, please. And don't say, can I go toilet now? Please try this one.
I didn't know when to say I want to go toilet, but I wanted to see that one. Oh, my cat fur all over my face.
What? Your
Yeah,
cat what?
My cat's fur is all over my face.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I tell your parents don't start any makan business, okay? Because you will be cat flavored food. Now it might not be so good. Well done, Putra. Well done. Congratulations,
Putra. It's
Putra.
going up right now because his fur is always going everywhere.
Well done, Shalina. Well done, Raidi. Shafia, come on, don't say that, Shafia. Come on, Shafia. Hey, you must learn this one. That means you have to attend remedial. Hooray! No, using calculator. Like that, come. Divide by 6 means you put 6 over 1. Shafia, watch. Now, you must now do a flip. When you have divide, you must change it to times. Wait. So you change it to times. Now, this one, Shafia, you must do the flip, The right-hand side, do the flip. Not you do the flip. You don't do the flip. You do the writing now. Here. Now, then what to do? You see, 3 can divide by 3, get 1. 6 can divide by 3, get 2. Now, what do you do? You cannot cancel anymore. Top times top. 1 times 1. 8 times 2, 16. Shafia can do not, Shafia? Your answer in decimal is correct, but they want it in fractions. Yes, Mr. Raidi. What is it, Mr. Raidi? No answer. Okay, never mind. Move on. Okay. All right. No. We do not want this. This one, I think you can handle. This one, this type like this. This type. This type. If you need to draw model, please draw model. 2 minutes, please. Okay. 2 minutes.
But then I scared.
No need to draw model.
No, chill. I mean,
Yeah.
like the video I see I'm going to send you.
You are scared.
Yeah, because it's going to embarrass myself, but sure.
Okay, never mind. I won't open it. I won't open it.
I want you to show. Please.
You want me to show everyone? I have to look at it. If let's say it's inappropriate or something.
Wait, you laugh.
Arisa, well done. Raidi, you got the wrong answer. Raidi, you're not reading the question carefully. Come on, Raidi. I want you to be careful. Okay. Don't just do it so fast and then now Carissa is very careful.
Sure. Wait. I just have to do something. Yeah. Give me a second. Sure.
Okay, Putra, can you do? Okay, well done, Raidi. Okay, come. Let me get the rest. What about Shafia? What about Farish? Okay, I need to ask everyone, because some students, they need to be called upon. Say why? Otherwise, they might just be lost in their own mind. wandering somewhere. This is true. I've taught many students got a call. Naomi, where were you? Naomi, turn on your video. I've not seen you for a long time, Naomi. Turn on your video, Naomi. The rest videos are on. Why is your video off? Wait. Right. Okay. Thank you. Okay. What about the rest? Shalina. Shalina, don't be sad. Shalina, what's your answer, Shalina? Smile a little, Shalina.
So I was about like.
You want to have the juice, is it? Juice jelly? No. Hey, who was the one who drink juice jelly just now?
Sure. When I was doing the video, I was like 6, 4 or 5.
Oh, so, okay, 6, 4, 5. I will have a look at the video, but let me just chase everyone. Well done, Putra. Well done. Well done. Shafia, what about you, Shafia? And the rest. Okay, I have to go through lah. Okay, I've been calling. Okay, now Aisha, she saved 250. Her sister, we do not know what's her name, she says twice. So 250 times 2, you get 500. Sister saved $500. Aisha, brother saved 100 less than Aisha. 250 minus 100, the brother saved 150. Right? So I just run through again. Aisha saved 250, you'll understand. Sister saved twice. 250 times 2, get 500. Aisha's brother saved 100 less. So you might take 250 minus 100, you get 150. So now there are 3 figures here. Say why are they important? Now remember Mr. Tan. There is a place called Encik Tan. Have you heard about Encik Tan? The place, makan place lah. But this is not the same one, not the same Tan. Okay, this Tan is about average. Average here is equals to total over number. Average, they're asking you to find what's the average. Average, according to Cikgu Karisa, is rata-rata. And Mr. Putra also, rata-rata. So now average equals to total. What's total? You must add all of this. This is the total amount of money they have. So what's the total amount of money? 150 plus 250 plus 900 is 900. Well done. Divided by 3 persons. Aisha and her siblings. Aisha 1, sister 2, Aisha's brother 3. Divide by 3. The answer is $300. On average, each of them have $300 on average. Okay, I hope you are okay. I hope so. This is quite simple. You must be able to do. Yes, Friday, you wanted to tell us something. No.
I thought
I tell him the answer. Alamak, tak apalah. Encik Tan. Okay, you heard about Encik Tan. Bukit Batok they have. Okay. They are not giving you any angles, but you can do this. Those of you do not know what's isosceles, 2 sides the same. This one is isosceles.
Sure.
Equilateral, 3 sides the same. All the best. And go, please. You can do this, Putra. Don't worry. Okay.
Am I correct?
Alamak, so fast. I've just turned only. Am I correct? Let me see. MJN. So I'm going to mark for you down here. This is the. Okay. I think your answer is not correct, Carissa. You should not be getting this wrong. You know how to do this, but in your heart, let me see. This doesn't look more than 90. Take your time. Don't rush. Carissa, don't rush. Don't rush. Okay, relax. You can get the answer. Yes, congratulations, Miss Carissa. First 2 attempts, was it careless? Yes, right? So notice, I want you to note as you wrote the wrong answer, you realize that it was an impulse. Now, that means you feel, this one right answer. You go straight, just like animals. When they go for a trap, they're not thinking carefully. Then they get caught. Same thing for human beings. You're waiting for the rest, and the rest are wondering because they are very new to angles. Never mind. So I'm now going to ask you now. Okay, Putra. Okay, we're going to ask you, what are you doing, Putra? Okay, down here, look, you have 3 angles down here. All of them are the same, Remember, we agree that 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180. So these 3 angles are the same because it's equilateral. So you divide by 3, you get 60. This one is 60. This one is 60. So you already know this is 60. All you need to do is to find this. What type of triangle is this? This is an isosceles triangle. You see, I cannot see properly. Okay, no problem. Horses. Okay, you try to solve.
I know how to solve already.
Okay, good, good, good. Farish, your answer is correct, but you have found these two. Farish, we want to find the orange side. You must take 180 minus that answer, Farish. 180 minus the answer, Farish. 180 minus the answer, Farish. Why am I repeating myself? I have to. Well done, Farish. Second person to get the answer. Okay, come on, come on. These two angles are sides are the same. So these two angles are the same. Okay.
I still finding
You
it. Yeah.
can do this. Boys and girls, you can do this. Huh? Shafia, okay, good try, Shafia. So down here is 60 is correct, but that's not the answer. Down here, these three angles, Shalina, this plus this plus this equals to 180. First step, take 180 minus 90, what do you get? 90. These two are 90 and these two angles are the same, divide by 2. Divide by 2, what do you get? 90 divided by 2, you get. Well done, Putra. Well done. Say kakak, say, but I told him the answer. Don't kakak, don't tell the answer. Okay, this one is 45. Huh? Tell answer again. Okay, so down here now, can you see? You know how to do not? So Farish already got the answer down here. See, from here to here is 105. Raidi, what is the whole angle down here? The whole angle is how much?
Wait. It's 45 plus 60.
No, the whole chocolate angle here. How much is it? It's a straight line. Straight lines, two right angles. 180. So 180 minus 60 minus 45. Okay, I repeat. Then you get the answer, which is 75.
And then once you get the answer, I also don't know what to do.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, that means you all need more help in angles. Okay, I went through too fast, I think. Or you have forgotten what we've gone through. In fact, I think we went through two lessons, you know. I think so. Okay, but never mind, never mind. Okay, we try the next one. Oh, wrong. This is secondary, yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay, now they want you to find the area of the triangle. And if you see this like that, you know what it means? That means this side is the same as this side. Okay, come on, come on, come on. You can do this, boys and girls. Come on, you can do this. Shalina, I'm so sad, Shalina. I'm seeing that you're sad. Be happy, smile. You are so young. You boys and girls have to be very happy. You know? Go through life. Of course, you will have your problems. You have times and days that you're not satisfied. Like for example, Raidi now has fur all over himself. It's okay, but he likes it.
I already
Wash it off. Oh. Okay, let's see. Carissa has given an answer. Let's see whether she's correct.
Sure.
Yeah.
Isn't it half divided? Like
Half times base times height. Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, for those of you who have problems, I will turn it around. Okay, so that you can see it with the base. Okay, it's okay. Because in a real exam, you will be able to turn the paper around. Let us see what I think, Carissa, I think you are correct, Carissa. Well done. Shafia, come on, Shafia, you can do this. Shafia, come, don't look there, don't look at kakak, don't look at abang, don't look at anyone, don't look at antu. Come, try this one. Come on, Putra, why are you showing me your stomach? Come on, you got very nice stomach now, very nice stomach. Belly button is very nice belly button. Is yours an ini or outie? Ini is the belly button is going in. Outie is the one coming out.
Ini.
Allahu Akbar, very good lah. I've learned that you can tell how big a person is by putting your finger into your belly button. If it goes in very deep, it means you're very big. Hey, what is this, Raidi? What are you writing? 306, what is that? Farish, you got to check. Farish, the digits are jumbled. Meow meow, wrong answer. You have forgotten how to do this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Farish, congratulations.
Sir, just now you said if it goes down deep, that means they fat, right?
I think so because that's true of me.
No,
I can
no,
put my
it's
finger inside it.
It's not true.
Not true.
I'm just like 30. I'm just like 29 to 28 kg, and mine goes down very deep.
Yours deep. Okay, then I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Yes,
Okay.
very long.
Okay. Now, those of you have forgotten the formula. The formula is, yes, who's calling me? Half times base times height. Who's lagging? You or someone is lagging.
You.
I don't get it. No problem. Okay. So half
All of
times
you.
base times height. All of you. Oh, okay. This is half times base times height.
Half times 12 times 15.
This is the area of a triangle, the formula. Shafia, this is formula for the area of triangle. Half times base times height. What is base? Base is the bottom. This is the bottom of the triangle. How long is the bottom? You say 12. No, 12 is only half the bottom. It's only one backside here. We want both backside, both bumps. Okay, 12 plus 12, 24. Shafia, here, Shafia. What's the height? The height. Is the height 15, Shafia? No, you cannot have slanted height. You must have the height meeting the base at 90 degrees. It's
6.
9. Not 6. Oh yeah, 6. Alamak. It looks like 6, but it's terbalik. Okay, it's actually 9. Okay, 9. Oh yeah. So you correct. Putra is lagging. Okay, it's 108. So that means you all have forgotten triangles. We have to revise. Never mind. At least we know now about 2 months before your exam. No problem. So the formula is half times base times height. Okay, half the base times the height. That's the area, 108. No problem. Again, don't feel bad if you cannot remember because we are revising. Let me just turn it back. Okay, just to prove that's not 6, it's actually 9, as you can see. Okay.
Wow.
Yes?
6.
I actually
6.
cut off.
Okay, come, let's try now. Number 24. You remember the formula, correct, of area? All the best. You want me to turn it around? No need, Okay, good. Safia, come on, don't look around there. Why are you looking down there? I'm very curious. What is so interesting over there? Okay.
I don't remember how to do area, correct? I don't know. I forgot.
Half times base times height.
Sorry,
Half.
I forgot how to do this.
No, you know what's the base? Find out what's the
9.
base. 9.
No.
The shaded triangle, no. Okay, Carissa, just a moment. Let me just check. No, Carissa, come on. How come you get that answer? Shalina, congratulations, Miss Shalina. You got it right. First one. Well done, Shalina. See, she doesn't know how to smile. I'm so sad. Come on. Putra, stop playing the wire, Putra. Come, you might get electrocuted. No, it's no good. You know, there's a story of this Malaysian guy. He wanted to steal copper wire. Did I tell you of it? He went to a power station with a cutter. He going cut, he got electrocuted, died. It's a silly thing to do. Can you imagine stealing copper wire from a power station, you know?
Yeah.
Melissa, well done. What about the rest?
It has high voltage.
Yes. Okay, come on. Brady, what about you?
I forgot.
You forgot,
Trying my
okay.
best. I'm trying my best.
Okay,
I'm
no
trying my best.
problem. Okay, we revise here. Okay, down here. Let us look at it. This is the base. What is the base? The bottom. Can you see like a 10? This is like a 10. You go camping, right? So the base of it, you must know what's the base. You see, I don't
Where
know.
is it just like then?
This one is a square. This is also 9. The whole thing is 9. What plus 3 equals to 9? 6. And the height is going up straight. So this is the height. The height is 9. And how do you know it's a height? Because it meets the base at 90 degrees. Use the formula. What's the formula? Half times base. What is the base? 6 times the height. 9. That's it. That's simple. 2 can divide by 2. 6 can divide by 2. 3 times 9, 27 square cm. All right. We will move on again. I hope you remember. Okay, I hope it's coming back to you. Yeah, because it is, if you don't practice your long-term memory, your short-term memory, it will disappear, you know. So that's why you have to revise. Alamak, what happened? Is this correct? Yeah. Okay. Farish, you remember not, Farish? Are you starting to remember? Here we
remember
go.
what.
Oh my goodness. The formula for area of triangle.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. The next thing is I see some of you in the street and says, who is this man?
She walks so little.
Oh, 6,180. Sometimes it's more than what we all walk.
It's supposed to
During
be
COVID.
10,000.
Okay, 10,000, yes. 10,000 will be very good. But every day, yeah, 10,000.
You guys work for 10,000. Only
Yeah,
work
you
for
can
like,
try, why not? Yeah.
I only work for like
And she
100
did this in
every day.
5 days. If you divide by 5 days, how many is it steps a day?
Oh
Okay.
my.
How many times she walk?
Yes, okay. So Farish is saying that.
I work more than I work more than 6,180 in one week.
In one day, yes.
I mean 5 days, 5 days, sorry.
Okay, well done, Carissa. The point Farish is making is true. There's too few steps. Too few steps. Those of you have forgotten, it's very easy lah. This one is easy, right? Well done, Mr. Raidi. Well done, Raidi. This one you don't need to know average. You can just find out very easily. Come on, Miss Nayumi. Miss Nayumi. Me. Come on. Putra, almost there. You miss it by 2, Putra.
Missed out by 3.
Well done, Farish. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think
very
I know
easy,
what they were trying to do. I think I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to
Oh.
put like 1, 2, 3, and the answer at the back. But then I accidentally put 4.
Yes, possibly. So you divide this by 5, right? You get 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. I won't show you the division lah. Okay. Come, don't write on the screen. Don't write on the screen, please. Don't write on the screen. Okay, come. Because once you write on the screen, the others will also want to write on the screen. Then I'm going to have problem. What's the problem? Down here. Please, you can do this. You can do this. Okay. Remember the area of use 10 for average. Yes. You can use 10 for average, yes. But just now earlier on, even without knowing average, I think most will be able to do. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger, okay. Those of you who do not know how to find, see what shape is this? You divide this object into triangles and rectangles. So I'm going to help divide it for you. And then in your exam paper, you can also label it. Say label, what do you mean label? You can call it A. Don't think it's the same. This one is 4, this one is 5. You can call it B. Okay. So you find what's A and B lah. And also the rest. You can call it C and D. Okay. If it's the same, if this is the same, it looks the same. D. I do not know whether C and E are the same. Then you have to plus all of them together. Okay. Here we go. Challenge, and go. Farish, let me see. I don't think you're correct. Farisa, do you send? I'm getting a different answer for all of you. Okay, Farisa, your answer. I'm getting a different answer. Let us see. We'll run through in a moment. Okay, we'll run through in a moment.
So am I correct?
Farid, I don't think you're correct, but let me check again. Farish, I don't think you're correct, but let me check.
What about me?
You send your answer. Oh yeah, I don't think you're correct. So. Okay, we label the parts. Then you see whether you can check your answer by checking the label of the parts. Okay, we ask Raidi. This is 8. What's the breadth of D? What's the breadth?
Breadth of D, you take 8 plus
4. No,
Oh,
this breadth.
where you
This.
wait, let me Let me
No,
calculate.
down here, rectangular piece of paper. This paper at first was like that,
Yeah, and then she fold. Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is how many? 3 cm at the end one. So this one must be 3 cm.
Yeah, and then
8 times 3 is already 24. Your answer 25.5 cannot be. This alone is 24, So down here, it's also 3. Some 3 and 5. This one down here is 3 also lah. Down here, this is also 3. Okay, let me see. Maybe I might have gotten mine wrong. Maybe. This is 3, this is 3. Yeah, I think I gotten one of mine wrong. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Shame on me. How can it get wrong? Shame on me. Let me see. So far the answer is also different for everyone. Okay.
sure. I'm supposed to
Putra, yeah, different.
sure. The 5
Yeah.
is actually supposed to be the bottom of continuous of 8, and then it will be like and then 4 is also the below with 8 and 5, and then with 4, and then you take both all of them, which
Yeah,
will
go.
be 17, and once you get 17, you take half times 17 times 3, and then you can get the answer.
Yes. Okay. I have made a very bad mistake. Who knows what my mistake is? Yeah, Shafia? Karisa can go to toilet, but I made a very bad mistake. I made a mistake. I tell the students, don't do. I did not read the question. I thought I know what the question is. Find the area of the rectangular piece of paper before it was folded. So they want it to be when you extend it like that. What is it? So maybe Farish could be correct. I do not know. Farish is quite a safe person, So that means I have made. Let's see. Yours is too small, I think. So they want to know what's the original piece of paper like this. So we have to now find out now. So that's why Raidi was saying 3. Okay, now how long is this paper? This 3 now is down here. Do you agree? This 3 is here. Now I unfold the 3 now goes here, and then after that you have 5 down here. Can see now? Can you all see now? Okay, I'm gonna unfold this one, right? So now I hope you all can see what I'm talking about. This now down here, 3. I push it up. This is becomes 3. This one down here is 5. Can you see that? Did you see now? Then down here now I unfold. I unfold and I'll draw. Okay. Okay. Now let us see now. Hold on. Okay. That only shows how careless I am. Down here, this is 3 again. You push up is 3. Then there's one more down here. You push up, it becomes 4. Okay. I'm drawing now the straight thing, so that you can see. So maybe Farish, you could be correct. Could be. All right. Dana, yeah, you can change on. This is 3. This is 4.
Just count both of them as my answer. I don't care if one of them is wrong.
Okay, no problem. So now I'm going to write it down on here. Let us see. This one is 8. You all agree it's 8, right? The n is 5. Down here, the n is 5.
And then you
the n is 4 down here. And then when you unfold, this one down here becomes 3 because it's 3 cm here. When you unfold it, it becomes 3. You unfold becomes 3. So now total is how many? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4. Sorry, 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 4, 23 cm. Here. And what is here? 3 cm. 23 times 3. What is 23 times 3? Farish, well done, Farish. Well done. Farish has been the safest guy. Notice, he takes his time and he does it. Congratulations, Farish. I am ashamed. I'm ashamed. You know why? Because I made the same animal mistake as I told the students in P6, P5, and secondary school. Don't just jump and do it. Read the question carefully. And I did not read it. I start labeling A, B, C. You look at this. All this is all wrong. All this is wrong. Why? Because the tutor did not read the question. So don't make the same mistake. Because of that, I cannot teach you anymore. We have to end the tuition now.
Bye-bye, sir.
Hey, don't bye-bye yet. Don't bye-bye yet. After your parents may. But some of you look very happy. Very bad. Okay, not 75, Ken. What you
You
mean?
never know if
Yeah,
I'm
go
smiling
toilet.
or
Go toilet, please. Go toilet.
No,
Okay,
my name is blocking, so you cannot
you,
see whether I'm
you understand what the point is, okay? Even I will make mistake, you know. Please remember, this is not whether your teacher, your tutor, student, whether you're careful or not. So in this case, I will now have to hand over the teaching to Faris. Faris, you have to take over. Oh, do we have a story? Okay.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
So the
Just
story.
show the video. Just show the video.
Video. I have
Today-
not seen your
yes.
video. Okay, I continue the cat story. Just now I wanted to continue one of the class. The class said, no, we don't want to hear. We are scared.
He
So-
want the cat story.
Okay,
He
remember what happened? You remember what happened? No story, please. Okay,
Yeah.
one say no story. One say story. Which one is it? Okay, we have a vote lah. You want story? I go. Faris want a story. Shalina, you want story or not? Yes, Shalina want. Raidi, you want story? Don't know. You want show
I want
picture?
a story.
Putra, yes. Okay, this is more already lah. It's more already. Yeah. Okay, so sorry. So sorry. So remember the story? The cat in the middle of the night is walking through the jungle. That man, I forgot what's his name. Khalid, is it? Khalid went to follow the cat, and then he Kasim Baba. Okay, and then he was holding. Remember the blanket? He was hiding. And he saw what was happening. The cat came out. He caught the cat and started beating the cat. And the cat actually spoke. And he followed the cat. Okay, the cat went to a village. Actually, the cat went deep into the jungle. It reached a certain point. There were dolls being hung on the trees. It was a little bit eerie. By the time,
Sounds very familiar.
by the time he reached that center of the forest, which with the dolls, it was a village inside the center of the jungle. It was already morning, and he can hear some people talking and the flow of water. The cat disappeared, but he saw in the river there was a waterfall, and under the waterfall there were 5 men. They were having their bath, and he can see that they look a little bit strange. The eyes were sunken in, and the water down there was like quite hot. You can see the steam coming out in some parts of it. And then he started to hide behind the bush, trying to observe them. And they got up one by one, and they started to walk towards him, And the 2 men came and hold his hands. He didn't run away. He was frightened also. At the same time, he wanted to know what was happening with the cat and why was it attacking the village. So they held him. When he held their hand, he realized that their skin was a little bit rubbery and loose, And he was looking at them. He saw that the eyes was sunken. It was very, very strange. So they brought him to a hut in the center of the whole village. And what happened? In the hut was the chief. Now the chief looked very strange. Half of his hair was like curly. Then you have long hair, white hair. Then you have wavy hair. And he also, his skin was like very loose. So he was told to sit down. So he sat down and asked, can you tell me about the cat? The chief told him, you are very rude. You have come into our village and you are now asking questions about the cat. You should be bringing a gift or saying hello or asking how I am. So he just kept quiet, he sat down, and the other 5 men entered and drinks were served. And he says, in our culture, we have to drink a little bit before we start our conversation. So he started drinking, he started to feel dizzy. And they all were laughing, and he just can't remember anything. When he knocked off, suddenly he woke up. It was night. And he found he was locked inside the hut. One of the huts. He didn't know whether it was the center hut or whatever. And he was looking out, and there was a celebration. This is a tribe now. This was in the middle of the night. There was fire, there was what? And he could hear the sound of sewing machine. You know sewing machine? Sewing machine. And there was a very strange smell, like barbecue smell. And they were chanting. He didn't understand what it was. But he felt that his skin was still a little bit strange. If you go into water for so long, your hands, fingers start to crinkle. He realized that his hands all crinkle as if he has just been inside water. and it started to look strange. Okay, I do not know whether I should tell you. You can handle this type of story, yeah?
Yes.
So what happened was, in the morning, it was almost morning. This was midnight, no, after midnight. So when the ceremony ended, they will serve him food. They will give him certain types of food that was very good for the skin, actually. Like tomatoes was very good for the skin. So they didn't give him meat and all that. So his skin, after one day, it was like very smooth. They brought him then together with the 5 men to go for the bath again. And this time he was looking at them and he realized that there was something very strange about how they all look. Their eyes look very, very strange. It's as if there was a layer on top of them. Something like, no, like the skin is not theirs, because when he shake their hand, he feels it's quite loose, So again, they all were bathing for a long while. And no rendam, they just put his body inside water. He's getting tired. Say, why am I doing this? Say, no, this is our culture. So that time he was quite awake. So he asked the man, a cat come to my village and attack the people? Say, yes. He says, why? Actually, we wanted to invite one of you to come to our village. That's why we did that. I say, what? We wanted someone to come to the village to visit us. We love to have visitors. Every week we will have one visitor. And this week you are the visitor. I say, why? Why is this? Why is this? So finally, that night, there was a very big celebration. And they tied him up. As he was being carried now, he was given something to eat, that he started to lose the ability to move his body, but he was conscious. So he on one side, he was looking into that room. There's one room, big room with a lot of sewing machine, and you could see people sewing. But you know what they were sewing? They were sewing the skin of human beings.
What?
And then he started to realize, oh my goodness, you know why these people look so strange? Because they were wearing the human skin of the people that I do not know, whatever. So actually, he was trapped. He was really, really trapped, because they are getting him ready. They are getting him ready to remove his skin. And then some of them will use him as a skin. Now, they like fair people. So this guy was the fairest person in the village. I didn't tell you that. But he remember when he was with them, remember, he felt as if there was a layer on top that they were like dark skin, like my color, like that. So they could see, actually they cut, even right up to the eye, they cut the skin like that. So they were actually wearing something. He can see a little bit of black stuff, no? So then he realized, oh my goodness, I'm in for it. Okay, so we continue next week here with that.
What happened, Joe?
Hey, you are the one who says no story. Now you say so. Okay.
Commercial break.
Commercial break. Now it's really. We have 20 minutes now. We got to go back to this one. Okay, the next week I'll tell you the
People
ending.
eating the skin.
Yes. Will he be sacrificed? We do not know.
Sacrifice.
Only you know.
Oh, what this guy say? Who's that? Oh my goodness. Hey, oh, that's the one of the guy, the tribe guy. Okay, come, let's try this one. The price of the pen before GST is $3. Can you find how much he has to pay?
I'm a winner.
Hey, come. What happened? You were singing. Aduh.
Hey.
I thought it was actually Putra singing, but
My brother is singing.
your brother. Okay, come. Wow, who is this so fast? But remember, Mr. Meow Meow, you got to be careful.
Sure, I got a question. I got a question.
Yeah.
It's like one pen, does it like cost like with the 7 GST or all together with 1 GST?
Altogether one GST. Yeah. You want to find one
okay,
pen
that means I'm
also
wrong.
can.
That means I'm wrong.
No, you want to find one pen also no problem.
I
One
already
pen,
found one pen. I already found
then
one
you must
pen.
times by 5.
I know. Okay. Wait. So with the GST.
GST is a tax that you need to pay the
Oh.
government. So that means the
Okay.
government say everything you buy, they want to take a little bit on the money.
Oh.
But now you and Carissa is the same answer. So maybe both of you got the right answer. Let us see. But it cannot be lah. Okay, you know. Sorry. Carry on, Karen. Not cannot be. Sorry, my mistake. Hold on. I need to do this rightly. Yeah, your answers are correct. Both of your answers are correct. Congratulations. You found a GST for the 5 pence, Mr. ID. So okay, can you then try the next one then?
Okay, no, I got it wrong.
You got it right.
Oh.
You got it right. Okay, can you try the next one? Angles again. Angles would be something we need to go through. Maybe I need to go through angles more thoroughly. Yeah? Angles and triangles.
How do you multiply?
How do we multiply which one?
To get the GST.
Okay, so now we go through step by step now. Okay, here we go. Now, 7%, 7% 7 over 100. You must times by $3 to find out how much is GST for 1 pen. So what you double? You get 21 over 100. You change this is what? 0.21. 21 cents lah. That is for 1 pen. For 5 pens, you must take 0.21 times 5. What do you get? You get $1.05. Now this is what you have to pay extra to pass the government. The pen, how much is it called? 5 pence is 5 times 3, $15. But you must pay extra money. What extra money? You must pay this extra money. So you have to plus. When you plus, you get 16.05. So how to find the GST? 7% times the price. You get the price for GST for 1 pen. How many pens you buy? You must pay the GST for all 5 pens. You times by 5. This is a GST for 5 pens. This is GST for 1 pen. Then you find what's the price of the pen. 5 times 3, 15. This goes to the shopkeeper. This down here goes to the government. I hope you understand. Huh? So the total amount paid is 16.05. As customer, you say, I don't care what the money is going to the government. I don't care which one is going to you or shopkeeper. Just tell me how much I need to pay in total. That's what you will tell them. So you must pay 16.05. But out of 16.05, $1.05 goes to the government. $15 goes to the shopkeeper, the seller. You see, very low. The government get this. He gets from every sale. You know, every sale. You know how many million people there are every day. They collect millions of dollars. For the next one, okay. So we'll check in a moment. So this $16.05. Let us try now the next one.
If you buy a car, is there also GST?
Yes, there's GST. There's GST.
So if you buy a private plane, is there GST?
If you buy the plane in Singapore, there'll be GST. Also, if the plane is sold in Singapore. So anyone who sells things in Singapore, you have to pay GST.
Then how come when we go to the market, they never charge us GST?
So you must have a business that have an income of more than $500,000. So the prata shop doesn't need to pay GST. But the flour mill, McDonald's need to pay. McDonald's, how many McDonald's are there in Singapore? Let's check. How many McDonald's are there in Singapore? You know,
more than 100. More than 100.
More than 100. Okay, let's see whether you're right. More than 100.
More than one. More than one.
More than one, of course. Hold on.
More than 10.
More than 10. More than 10. Okay, we see. Of course, more than 10. Hold on.
But how come when you go to the airport, they got this thing called
GST refund.
GST free.
Okay, so if you are a foreigner and you buy, they say, okay, you are just coming in the country for a while and living. Okay, never mind. This you can take back. We don't charge you GST. So let's say now you are a foreigner, you go to Mustafa, you buy something, and then you are living in Singapore. they will give you the GST back because you're a foreigner. So 100, how many? 130, yeah? McDonald's. McDonald's, Singapore. How many? How many? The rest. 130. Hey,
Oh,
136. So if one McDonald's, let's say it earns 1 million a year, it's 136 million. It's more than, yes, it's a lot of money. They have to pay GST. So the government will get a lot of money for, yes.
So,
governments are very rich.
why
Yes,
you just get kicked out?
Why you this what?
Why you just get kicked out?
Sorry, why United States?
No, I mean like why did I just get kicked out from the VC?
I do not know. Do other countries have GST? Yes. Singapore, they will study other countries. Singapore is a country, they are smart. They are smart. You study other
No,
countries.
but I don't understand GST because if you get salary, the money from the government,
Okay, hold on. Okay.
then after that, you buy something, then you get GST. Then
Okay.
you give the government the money. So does that mean that you give the government lesser money than you get?
Okay, now you get income. Let's say now, Faris earned $100,000.
So that means the
Every
government
year-
is giving back the money.
No, are you sure you're paid by the government? No, most of the time you're not paid by the government. You're paid by the company.
But then
The
what
company
happened
is
in
not-
those like people from the government, like those
Government, yeah, the
soldiers
government.
or those-
Yeah, so where does the government get the money? The government get from the GST. Yeah. So from the GST, then they pay the teachers. You know how
Then they
much?
get it back.
Yeah, then they get it back. But the Singapore government is very smart. They get not only from GST, they get from fines. Every car that you buy, you have to pay $40,000-$50,000 or maybe $30,000 per car. Just to own a car for 10 years, you got to pay $30,000. That goes to the government. With that might be salary for a teacher for half a year.
But that was the
One car.
government's money before.
No, that is your money. Okay. Countries with GST, let's see. Countries with GST. There are many countries.
And
You see?
they said Singapore is going to increase the GST
Yeah, to
from
10%.
7 to
Yes, original,
they're
but they told us.
crazy.
Yeah, they're facing it and they give
They're
money to the
crazy.
people. So which countries collect good and services tax? Okay, there's an estimated of 160 countries having GST. Some countries with GST include Canada, Vietnam, Australia, Singapore, United Kingdom, Monaco, Spain. There are 160. So what is the GST of, that says India's GST? I think it's 10%. Can you see 10%? So they are pegging towards 10%. Means every $10 you spend, $1 will have to go to the government. So this is the GST. So why is it they want that? The government needs to find ways and means to get money. Why? The police, who's going to pay them? You say, no, police, the man, they should volunteer. Your teacher is, if you think your school fees you pay is enough, how much you pay a month? You say, I pay $15, $10. Let's say there's 40 of you. 10 times 40 is $400. It's not enough to even pay one teacher. Right? So I hope you get it. So
How did they get?
depending, some school principals earn more than $10,000 a month. School principals. Teachers can earn.
Were you a teacher?
I was a teacher, but when at that time I was earning close to 2,000 only. I just newly started, and after that I left after a few years.
2000.
2,000, about $2,000.
Oh.
I was a poor teacher. Okay, come. Yeah. So
What was the year you born?
I was born in the year 1970, very long time ago, more than half a century ago. Okay, come, let's try this now. Find the angle QU. Find the angle QU. What QU?
Correct.
Let me check. Not Kayu.
Kayu.
Okay, let's see. Carissa, you say it's 170. Let me see whether you're right. So this time, 17 or 1.
Yeah, I love my answer.
Just one moment.
I love the
Yes,
answer for this,
you are
but I
correct.
lost the answer.
Lost answer. Yes, you're correct, Miss Carissa. Well done. Well done.
Who was this show?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. That is, look at this. If you think the answer is less than 90, I want you to think again. Remember, 90 degrees has like a corner of a, down here, can you see the corner of a Ayo, sorry, sir. This corner here. Why I couldn't draw it correctly? Yeah. Down here, imagine now. Down here. Righty, you can see now 90 degrees this corner. This is bigger than 90 degrees, Righty. Come on, Righty. How come you just increase 100 to 120? This is not a super sale. No. Meow meow boy, don't be guessing. Come on. We want you to use your mind. Putra, you are looking at, I do not know where you're looking at, Mr. Putra. I'm looking at your eyes. Your eyes are looking at the side, Mr. Putra. Putra, wake up. Why are you so sad? Tak adik sad lah. Don't know why. Adik, come on adik. You can do well. Come on adik. Be happy adik. Parish, congratulations. Hey, if you're focused, you can do all these. You know, I was showing some students just now what some Singaporeans think about Malays and Muslims and mathematics. You know what they think? You know?
I saw your search history.
Search history.
Yes,
Just now.
it says, why can't Malays be president? Not
really?
good at math.
When? How do you get that? Huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yes. So there's one cab driver that says Malays cannot be president. Why? Because they're not good at maths. So this idea that we are not good at it. So we've got to make sure we do well in maths. Why? Maths is dealing with thinking.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, but our president now is Malay too.
Yes, it's Malay too. But
Then
the
some people,
president,
So
because
later when the
can't be president if they're not good at math. And Chinese, what happens if they're not good in English?
English,
Then
okay.
they become prime minister.
Okay,
Before
so
become president.
yeah, so but you know, I think that is what some people say that may or may not be true. However, there's this idea even among the Muslims and Malays, we say that we are not good, or we are our community not good in maths. And I've heard so many people tell me that. So don't believe that you do well in maths. Okay, come. Let us start this one now. Very simple. Mr. Raidi, the whole thing down here, over here, is 360 degrees. Wait, how come you went there? 360 degrees here. So what do? We need to minus 360 minus this, you get down here. How to find this? Hey, look at this. It's same side. So the angle here is the same as 55. Then all you need to do is find out what this angle is. 180 minus 55 minus 55, you get 70. So take 360 minus 118 minus 70, and you will get the answer here, which is 172. Do you get it? Raidi, am I explaining to you? Are looking at the cat. Look, one more time, Raidi. We can see this triangle here. All right, this, how to find this 70. One angle, two angles, three angles in a triangle always add up to 180. 180 minus 55 gets 70. Now, this whole part is 360. See, is it 360? Okay, maybe you do not know, so I have to prove to you.
Oh, sorry, never mind. I know.
No, it's 360.
I know my compass. Wait, I want to draw the compass for you.
This one is 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 90 degrees, yes. So it's 360 degrees. Okay. Yeah, you can see lah. North, south, east. 1999, 360. 360 minus 118 minus 70 get 172. All right, we move on. Thank you very much for compass. How come you draw the north below lah? Alamak, apa ni? You put the north and the south. South is the north. You're confusing all of us. You'll be going other places then. Don't draw. Later exam time you can draw the thing. We have only 5 minutes left. Okay, and now we are sitting for paper 2. Let us see. Can you do this? I feel we have done this question before. Have we done this question? No, huh? Or this was with someone else. Timer on. Oh, Farish, you can dance with me. Putra. Timer on. Wow, very fast, huh? Find the length. So yours is, okay, let me see. Carissa, I don't think, you know, she got 2/3 left, you know, 2/3 meters left. So how much did she buy at first? Must be more than 2/3. What? How come your answers are less than 2/3?
Am I correct?
Too small, Carissa, too small. You know, yours also is too.
Oh, mine.
Yeah,
mine, sure.
Putra, same thing so.
Mine?
Yours, okay. Yours, I think you just plus these two.
Yes.
This one, there's no meters, you know. So, okay, I am going to draw for you the model, okay? You must be careful. Let us see, Farish, can you get it, Farish? Farish just biting his hands. Okay, up to
Oh,
you.
wait, wait. I think I know.
Just like eating jelly, now eating his hands. What is this? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3? Ah, down here, watch. Now down here. I am going to draw for you this. So what is this? This one now, 1/4. Use 1/4 of it, not 1/4 meter. No.
Yeah, am I correct now?
Okay, hold on. Then you look down here. Then this is the amount that is left. How much is the amount that is left? Oh, the amount left is 2/3. Amount is 2/3. Okay. So now 2/3 meter. You must find now how much is 1. How much is 1? 2/3 divided by 3. Divide by 3 now. Equals to 2/3 times 1/3. So you get 29. This means this is 29 meter. This is 29 meter. This is 29. Well done, Mr. Raidi and Ms. Larissa. 29 meter. This is also 29 meter. So how many two? We add together 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8, 9 meter. Well done. Those of you who get it, congratulations. Those who don't understand, imagine now I change this question. Okay. She had 6 meters of ribbon left. So let's say this is 6 meters. You want to find one part? 6 divided by 3 get 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Altogether, she got 8 meters. Can you see what I did? But now they are not giving you like that. They're giving you 2/3, not 6. But good attempt. Huh? Okay. We go for the very, very, very last question.
What minute, sir?
And I know it's almost time. It's almost time.
Oh,
Okay,
wait,
I do this one. The one that you all forgot how to do. Here we go. And first one to get it correct will win for yourself RC. Okay. What is RC? You'll find out very soon. What is RC? Sorry, this is 32. We want you to find. Yeah. Okay. Those of you who got it first will get RC. Let us see. First one to come in is Mr. Hold on, or Miss. Is either one of them. Shalina, well done. Carissa, well done. Raidi, well done. And I think the first person who get it will get RC. Congratulations. Okay, but first we show how to do. So both can be divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 get 8. 45 divided by 5 get 9. 8 times what equals 32 times 4. Then now here times 4. So you get 36. All right. So the first person who got is Raidi. Raidi will win for himself RC. Raidi's cap. Okay. All right then. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next Sunday. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, your picture. Sorry. I'm not got
video. Let's show the video.
But are you sure you want to? Oh, this is okay. I show. This is
No, video.
Show the video.
Meow meow.
Okay. Meow.
It's a meow meow.
Okay, down here. Where is the video here? This one.
Cute meow meow.
Okay, now I need to. Hi. Who is this boy? It's you. Oh my. Oh, is that? Okay, this is Mr. Raidi. How old were you? 4 years old.
5 or 6.
Is it you or your brother? You?
Me.
He was in Krabi. All right.
Oh,
We will catch up with you, okay? Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
I'm very
Bye.
old.